Hi guys, happy new year. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. You have returned back to Charismatic Glam with me, Charisma, and I thank you guys for watching, although ain't nothing been to watch. Hold on, y'all. Before y'all really just like rip me a new asshole, let me tell you guys what's been going on, because a lot, baby, been going on over here, okay? We can sum this up honestly in like only a few words, and then I can kind of dive in. A bitch been working. I've been working. So let me bring y'all up to speed, y'all. So in my 3 months of being gone, I basically got a new job, right? Got a new job, left an old job, got a new job. New job was a lot, okay? A lot. So, yeah, with the new job, I was a supervisor and whatnot, and then I got hurt on the job. But the reason why I'm coming to you guys is because, it's a new year. That's number one. Happy New Year. Like, we really about to get it out here. Like, we really about to get it. At least I am. So right now, the last job, because I think I told you guys already in a previous, yes, I did. I did tell you guys in a previous video that I quit my last job. Things that I wanted was not being given to me, and I'm not going for that. I'm not going for that. Normally, when I have a job, I'm like really, really stressed. Like, oh my God, I can't leave yet. I can't leave. I didn't start saving up. I didn't make a plan. No, this time during this quarantine, and I know that, we all out here struggling right now during the quarantine. I'm like, but I am not happy. I am not happy with my, current position. So I didn't go with the plan of, like most people do, of getting like 6 months worth of, money to take care of yourself. No, my plan started, you don't like this job, time to hit the net, trying to search for a new job. And that's what I did. I found a new job in 3 weeks from when I quit the last one. And, went to the new job. So, like I said, just trying to catch you guys up without skipping too many parts, because I noticed that I do that a lot. I was a supervisor at my last job. I'm not going to disclose the company, not going to disclose where I went. None of that. In case y'all watching, y'all won't be getting me over here, baby. It was a lot going on. So I also got hurt on that job as well. So what I have realized in that time of getting hurt, I felt like I put everything above me, how I felt about it. My blood pressure was going up. So my blood pressure has been up, and the last time I had my blood pressure checked, it was 140/90. I do not normally suffer with high blood pressure, but I know when I'm stressed, and I know when I can tell, like when we all can kind of probably tell in ourselves when our blood pressure or different things might be going wrong with us. But I was able to tell. But when I had my blood pressure checked before the last time I had a check, which was like now 2 weeks ago, it was high. So it's consistently been high for at least about 2 weeks. So after that, for the most part, I felt like I had to make a decision within myself on whether you're going to keep going on this hamster wheel right now. And again, it's not really fulfilling you, me, or you're going to decide to go where you possibly might be fulfilled. And even if that means like your income and whatnot drastically changing for a little bit, I chose to go with the latter. So as of right now, I am home, and I don't know about you guys though, but if you've ever left a job or ever decided to choose you over a job, and when you know it's the right decision, you don't feel bad about that. Your girl don't feel bad, not one bit. I don't feel bad. I've been feeling my absolute best. Like, I wish that I had come to this decision a little bit earlier in this journey. Like I said, I have a plan in my head as to when I plan to start looking, or I have my own timeline, my own goals. So from the day that I departed where, I was, I've been on go. I've been searching for, new employment. I've been getting calls. I've been really out here hustling, doing what I got to do, right? Because of course, like, the lapse is not supposed to be forever. This is not forever, So I guess my message per se is just to those of you out there struggling, worried about whether you're going to, during quarantine, be able to make it out okay. Wondering about where your next dollar is going to come from, where your next meals, and, the bills got to be paid, and, the kids need clothes, or whatever it is that you worry about when it comes to leaving a job. I have a strong, strong, strong belief that everything works out for its absolute good. I'm a person who, honestly, all my friends can tell you, I'm a person that I'll leave a job in a hot minute and I'll find a job within 3 weeks to a month. So I've never really been without. I know that right now, during this time, we're in quarantine and nobody has time to roll the dice like that. But I encourage you guys to choose yourself, because these jobs will damn sure choose themselves too over you. They can like you. They can love you at a moment's notice. You can die on the job. And I hate to be that graphic, but you can die on the job. And they will talk about, oh, you were such a great person. Oh my goodness, Jimmy was so good. Oh my God, just absolute, she was the best. Timmy, he was the best. Oh my God, he was so good. And talk about all the great things that you've done at this job. And 3 days later, they're already talking about, okay, so who's going to replace him? Who's going to replace her? Who's going to get in that seat? Well, where's the notice that we got to submit so that way we can put it on the internet that we need someone to take over this position? And in 2 to 3 weeks, guess what? They got somebody in your seat. So just the same way that they will replace you and life has to go on for them, you have to do what's best too for yourself. And sometimes you have to check out. Listen, this job is no longer fulfilling me. You're not fulfilling my needs. So now I have to leave. I have to remove myself from this situation. And don't be afraid to do so. And I had to do that for myself. So last year, as you guys, when I returned back to YouTube after many, 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 many years of being on this platform, leaving, I promised myself last year, 2020, would be the year. And I started off on a good foot. I didn't quite end on a good foot because of work, because life got in the way, as it sometimes does. But I think now I have to learn a very, very healthy balance between what I want to do and what I have to do. So I have to figure out how to make sure I make that balance. And this is kind of like my pledge today of making sure that I make that balance and make that transition pretty good for myself and for, the growth of my channel. Because as y'all can see, this thing is starting to fill up. So I have plenty of stuff to show you guys, because I need y'all stay tuned. I got a lot to show y'all. But I really hope that y'all have had at least a great last 3 months of 2020, because 2020 been giving us a run for our money. Y'all see what's going on right now? Do y'all pay attention to the news? Y'all pay attention to everything that's going on? Y'all see what's going on in the world? Child. It's a lot going on. So I hope y'all been paying attention. I'm paying attention and I'm sipping my little tea. But besides all that, I wanted to also let you guys know that right now I'm not really feeling really makeup inspired. Why I'm not feeling makeup inspired is I don't go anywhere. Like, I don't really go nowhere. So busting out a whole face of makeup and stuff like that right now when we wearing a mask, and probably the most that I do is like go to Target. Yeah, like doesn't make any sense. So what I have decided to start doing is I want to start doing some fashion videos for you guys, and hauls. Some fashion videos just showing y'all, like, you know, what I wear and stuff like that. Yeah, fashion videos, some hauls, and things that I've purchased, especially as of recently. So my next video, which you guys will most likely see probably tomorrow if I can get it up, it will be what Santa got me. I'm Santa. Yeah, I'm Santa. But I want to be able to show you guys some of the things that I got for Christmas. Some may be available, some may not be available. So I want to be able to show you guys some of that stuff and then get to some of the other things that I have going on. And I want to really start to vlog, because even though I, don't really go too many places, like I have a lot of different things that I want to, show you guys and bring to my channel. One of the other things that I want to show you guys is, and I guess, I don't know, I basically have begun, but I think I spoke about this before too, though. Damn. Yeah, I think I spoke about this before. Beginning my bariatric journey for a revision. I did speak about it a little bit, but I didn't probably tell you guys what I decided on. So I also am beginning my bariatric journey to a revision. Most of you guys know that I have had vertical sleeve gastrectomy in 2016. So I will be on the 26th of January, 5 years post-op. I've also gained quite a few bit of pounds. I spoke about that as well in a video you can check out down my channel, or either I'll try and link it down below. But I spoke about me gaining a bit of weight. I recorded some footage from that doctor's appointment, from that doctor's appointment that I had last week. I believe it was Friday. Yeah, it was like last week, Friday. I recorded some footage so that way you guys can take a peek into that video and see a little bit of it. My doctor didn't really allow me to do much recording on that appointment, but he did tell me that he'll let me record on my next appointment. So I will definitely be showing you some of that, though, in a vlog, though, that I'm putting together. But yeah, I definitely will be back full-fledged on my channel. My goal for 2021 is to be more consistent and be here on the platform, because I really enjoy YouTube. And although I am not on YouTube, I try and watch as much as I can. I definitely have, as of recently, gotten a chance to catch up on all videos from my fave YouTubers that I normally watch. I've gotten a chance to catch up. Vlogmas this year, across the board, I'm not gonna lie, was a little blah. I don't know, like, if I'm wrong, let me know. Y'all, we can talk about it down in the comments. But Vlogmas was kind of, like, girl, like some of my fellow YouTubers, and I get it, everybody, like, it's quarantine, so I'm not holding nobody to nothing, no. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say on that, because I feel like I'm just digging the grave. But yeah, so anywho, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you to the ones who chose to continue to stay and wait for me, even though I know it's a hard wait for a lot of people, because they're so used to, like, other YouTubers who are constantly pumping out content. And when you don't see anything happening with the channel, y'all like, boop, I gotta go. Peace. See you later. Let me know when you're ready. But I thank you guys who did choose to stay around and at least wait. But I'm back. So thank you guys for sticking around with me. I will be back this week. So later.